The confidence is the runners out. Houston.
Why?
I come up. Ooh. Alright. I think I'll take this one. Right.
I've never seen you this conceited.
What do you mean? It's not conceited. It's the truth.
Okay. Okay, my
But
bad.
I think it's, I think I'm buying.
Carillos cantan, la luna ya se metió. Hey, Ren, help your mom. Hurry.
Where's
Help your mom.
It's the sparkle one. That's the...
Ya, échate toda la pinche salida. Oh,
Oh my god.
another one.
Mom, what the hell did you buy?
I don't know, I just
She bought the
found.
sparkler
Oh,
one.
thank you.
Yeah, she really did buy the sparkler one.
No! Don't be like that. Sácalos, quítalo. Sácalos, sácalos.
Got hot breast?
Dale, hija, dale chiche.
Hey, it's my fault.
Oh, no, they're getting jealous.
Celoso.
No,
That's what happens when you find out you're not the favorite.
That's nice.
What does it say? I believe it. I believe it. That's one. What the heck is it? Oh, no, you're her favorite child. Now you want to listen. What did you say? What happened? What did it say?
I love you, Mom.
It's so cute.
Uh-oh, that's so different.
Mine's better.
Chana. Oh, that's cute.
Who'd you steal it from?
Oh, Miss Pita. Ah! I love it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that was good.
What happened?
Can you ask any questions? I had to pee on the cup.
Oh.
And then I brought the cup over here. I was supposed to leave it in the restroom.
Oh. Yeah, I was complaining to the front desk, babe.
Why?
I was like, it's been 5 minutes. She said 5 minutes. I saw her walk back into exam room.
Turn it on.
Okay.